trackIT is installed, open the app to get started. Upon opening the app for the first time, we are greeted with an information page. This page contains information about the diet. After tapping the next button, the information continues with the results and benefits of the diet. The next page we see is the user information. Here the user can enter their name, age, and sex if they want to. Once this is completed, tap the Start Tracking button. Following that is the overview view. It is on here that we can see our main graph showing our daily progress. This view will also be the main view that is loaded up every time the app is opened from this point onwards. Under the graph we have the option of 3 buttons. Let's do the notifications button first. This button brings us to the notification view. After allowing notifications, you can pick a time using the scroll wheel. Once that is done, hit either breakfast, lunch, or dinner at the top to set the notification time. The time then appears down here in the yellow boxes. Scrolling down now, the same will apply to the snacks section. Pick a time and then tap which snack you want to be notified for at that time. Going back to the main view, we can now go to the Add Food view by tapping its button. In here we can see all the different food groups and how many servings of each we've eaten. We use the steppers to increment and decrement the food servings. If the user knows how much of a food is in a serving size, they can tap the info button to open up a quick overview of the diet. After tapping next, a view is brought up containing all the food groups and their servings. Now swiping left we arrive at the Advanced Add page. Here you can type in a food and it will give you a list of suggestions from the Canadian nutrient file. Once you make a selection from the list, the text box is auto-filled and the food group is displayed. From there you can choose how many servings you've eaten. Now at the bottom of the screen is the recommendations. This will recommend food items based on what food groups you are lacking that day. Once you tap Add, the food name is filled into the box and the food group is denoted. Upon our return to the overview page, we now see the chart is filled up. Getting 100% of your goal brings up an alert, congratulating you on your success. The next button is Advanced Stats. This brings up a summary of the food that you've input into Advanced Add. Here's the food from earlier showing all of its macro and micronutrients. At the bottom is a total of your daily nutrients for everything added using the Quick Add functionality. As you can see, we track protein, carbs, fats, some vitamins and minerals, and most importantly, sodium. Going down to the daily view, we can see a pie chart displaying the makeup of your food groups eaten that day. This is good to tell you if you're eating too much or too little of a food group. Now when we close the app, 3D touch has been enabled so that if you hard press the app icon, it will bring up this selection menu. From here you can tap one of the 2 options and it will instantly bring you to that view.